So we have a fraction involving fractions. Another way to look at that is that we're dividing fractions. So let's just think about flip and multiply. And so we'll just mark that down so we remember to do that. And so first of all, on the top and the left, we have x to the 3. Well, let's first pull that x out of there. X squared plus 7x plus 10. Okay, so that'll be step 1 for that one. On the bottom of the first, we can pull out a 3x, and that would leave us with x plus 2. Okay, and we're going to remember that we are flipping to multiply, so this will be on top. And so we could pull out a 3x there, and we would be left with x squared minus 2. Okay, and let's see, so on the bottom over there, we would identify, we can't pull out any numbers, but we could pull out an x squared, and that would leave us with 3x plus 2. All right, so we take a look at that. We can cancel out one of the x's there. We can cancel out a 3 there. Anything else that we can do at this point? Nothing that I can see. So, one more x. We have that x there we can get rid of. All right. So we still have a little bit of factoring to do in this one. Two numbers that add to 7 multiply to 10. So x plus 2, x plus 5. So now we've got that fully factored. We're left with x plus 2 on the bottom here. Now, if you were inclined to stop and say, well, I'd rather factor everything right to the end before canceling, absolutely, that would work just fine. I'm just trying to reduce as I go along here, so as long as I'm careful, it should work out fine. X squared minus 2, and on the bottom, we have an x, and we have a 3x plus 2. Okay, so taking a look here, the x plus 2's, we can get rid of that. I don't see anything else to cancel. So our final answer, we would end up with x plus 5, x squared minus 2, all over x, 3x plus 2, and that would be a final answer.